When we have normal multiplication, for example 3 times 2, we could say this is 3 lots of 2, or 2 plus 2 plus 2, which we know is 6. When we have algebra with brackets, for example 3x plus 1, we know this is 3 times x plus 1, or we could write it as x plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1. If we wanted to write this out in a shorter way, we could do what's called expanding the brackets, where we get rid of the brackets. All we do is we take what's outside the brackets and multiply it inside. So we do 3 times x, which gives us 3x, and we do 3 times 1, which gives us 3. And that's how you expand brackets.